Hello, let me welcome you to our today's webinar that will be focused on SAP Business Intelligence overview. My name is Aleksandra Borucka. I am the moderator of today's webinar. By my side, your expert who will guide you through the main part of our webinar, Adrianna Tomczak. Hello. Our today's webinar is divided in two main parts. I will provide you with a short overview of our company, give you some important facts of what we do, who we are, and how we can support you. Then Adrianna will guide you to the main part about SAP BI tools. SNP is a transformation company that was founded back in 1994 in Heidelberg. Over the years, we have grown to a company with currently over 1,250 people, a company that supported over 10,000 different transformation projects. Geographically, we are located on all major continents, which means that we have our delivery centers in Europe, both Americas, in Asia. We have recently also opened our new subsidiary in Australia. This is a big advantage for us because we can directly serve our customers over several time zones. For example, today's webinar, we are running from Poland. As our president of the board says, transformation never ends, which means that companies change as their business environment changes. There are also IT-driven or technical causes that may lead to transformation needs. We are a company that understands this, and our core business is transformation of SAP-centric IT environments. We support our customers in their daily transformations that are part of their business life. Currently, we have a lot of transformation projects related to SAP S/4HANA migration, and we do it in our own way, so-called Bluefield way. SNP's Bluefield approach lets you merge, split, upgrade, and harmonize systems in a single go-live project with automated data and business process testing. With Bluefield approach, you can still automate your journey to SAP S/4HANA. We could speak along about Bluefield, but this is rather a topic for another webinar, as our focus today is SAP Business Intelligence. If you would like to find out more about Bluefield, please contact us. SNP Poland is one of the biggest companies implementing IT systems in Poland. Since 2017, we are part of SNP Group and carry out projects all over the world. Our offer is focused on three main areas: SNP, SAP Expert. We offer a full range of SAP services: implementation, development, maintenance. We have here 22 years of experience, the biggest team of specialists. Second area is SNP Data Centers. We are experts in the maintenance and development of IT environment. We provide outsourcing based on the double secure infrastructure of SNP Data Centers. And SNP Software Factory, which means tailor-made software, IT staffing, team leasing, Java and .NET applications. We create innovative applications that support any business process. That would be it when it comes to the short introduction of SNP. Now I would hand over to Adrianna.
Thank you. So during this webinar, I would like to guide you through the range of business intelligence solutions and the wide SAP offer, including a number of solutions available in the area of analysis, reporting, and data visualization has developed over time, and it still is developing. Therefore, new opportunities appear for the current SAP products users. However, they may raise some doubts as to which solutions should be considered worth implementing or being further developed. By contrast, other organizations may be encouraged to enter the SAP technology due to its flexibility and ease of implementation. The agenda of today's webinar includes issues such as comparing the standalone business warehouse and built-in analytics, indicating the differences between BW on HANA and BW for HANA, as well as discussing selected reporting and visualization tools such as which are displayed in the screen: Analysis for Office, Crystal Reports, SAP Lumira, and SAP Analytics Cloud. To begin with, the SAP BW for HANA is an online analytical processing class analytical system. In other words, one that processes information using a multidimensional database. This is an innovative solution for data warehouses which aims to support clients who want to integrate operational data sources from transactional systems. In case of embedded analytics, we are dealing with a full-fledged SAP BW data warehouse system nested in the transaction system server. This significantly reduces the cost of maintaining the IT architecture and also does not require any additional license costs. It allows to use a business planning tool such as a SAP BPC, Business Planning and Consolidation, or, for example, SAP Integrated Planning. So what is the difference between BW on HANA and BW for HANA? Actually, those two tools are different application suites running on the same database. SAP BW on HANA uses the SAP's legacy BW software, but moves it to the HANA database. BW for HANA uses a re-engineered software suite designed to fully harness the power of the HANA database. SAP BW on HANA provides dramatic return on investment with real-time reporting and accelerated analytics without requiring companies to commit to a complete system transformation. Meanwhile, BW for HANA provides a range of additional benefits on top of those performance improvements, of course. BW for HANA introduces a new concept for data aging and archiving. So instead of using costly in-memory storage for all data, partitions of data can be automatically displayed into hot, warm, and cold data storage based on customers' requirements. In comparison, BW on HANA provides multi-template data management at the object level only, not by partition. What is more, BW for HANA provides seamless integration of big data scenarios through a dedicated source system type. The big data source system leverages Spark SQL and SAP Vora to enable virtualized access or provide more traditional data movement for big data scenarios. In addition to this, BW for HANA integrates natively with the SAP Data Hub, helping to orchestrate and govern the flow of data between BW for HANA and data lakes. With BW on HANA, there is no dedicated source system type for Hadoop. Big data scenarios can be created by using a combination of HANA Smart Data Access and HANA Enterprise Information Management. Okay, so about the influence on SAP BW when it comes to migrating SAP ECC to SAP S/4HANA. So the given SAP note presents the precise list of extractors supported by the S/4HANA system, and almost more or less 70% of already existing extractors are still provided within SAP S/4HANA. The other 30% of niche extractors, the customized extractors, are planned to be introduced. It is necessary to verify the code of non-standard extractors in the source system, but there is no need to migrate existing SAP BW system to BW for HANA. The adjustment is understood only as the substitution of extractors, and there is no need to migrate the SAP BW database to SAP HANA, but it is recommended. So when it comes to the part of the visualization and reporting tools, I would like to start with SAP BusinessObjects Analysis for Office, which is an interactive analysis tool for daily operational and analytical reporting based on data residing in the SAP NetWeaver Business Warehouse or SAP S/4HANA or HANA database in general. It enables business analysts not only to carry out multidimensional data analysis within the familiar Microsoft Excel environment, but also to integrate with PowerPoint or Word in order to present the outcome of the analysis, its results. Thanks to the SAP NetWeaver BW server or SAP HANA in-memory processing power, it is possible to boost the power of Microsoft Excel to uncover insights immediately, regardless of data volume behind. With Analysis for Office, the financial professionals and other business users can rapidly access, visualize, and analyze data from SAP systems. There is a drag and drop interface of analysis panel. Users are empowered to quickly filter, slice, dice, and drill down into yet uncovered business insights due to its easy interface, easy to use. It is also possible to drill down to document items or to jump between reports passing specific parameter, like, for example, material or document number. The SAP Analysis for Office is the natural successor of Text Analyzer with modern and more intuitive Excel pivot table-like interface and able to connect to HANA. Within the functional capabilities of this tool, it is worth mentioning about the following advantages as the possibility to connect to SAP NetWeaver Business Warehouse cubes as well as to SAP HANA objects. With S/4HANA, there are hundreds of pre-delivered built-in views ready to use for reporting or which may be used as a good starting point for development of custom reports. With SAP HANA views, you can report live on the transaction data. What is more, Analysis for Office supports BW integrated planning as well as business planning and consolidation. And the conversion, there is the conversion support for BEX workbooks. The next user-friendly tool to create some reports is SAP Crystal Reports. And it is a responsive analytic tool which allows to design and publish business reports. The ability to connect with such data sources as relational databases, flat files, BW queries, or non-SAP sources makes reporting from any business area possible. The use of interactive charts, tables, conditional formatting, and pixel-perfect reports it offers business users a clear insights into summarized data and make them notice trends and links which were unseen before. The main advantage of SAP Crystal Reports is its uncluttered and intuitive interface, which gives the ability of creating the ad hoc reports to the financial analysts and managers while allowing further report development at the same time through the use of complex calculation logic and displaying them by experienced designers. The additional benefit is the option to personalize reporting language and the approach of formatting it for the specific client. There is also an option to integrate SAP Crystal Reports with BusinessObjects platform. Combining those two solutions gives the customer the possibility to automatically generate periodic reports into the most popular, most common formats such as PDF or Excel files, and their automatic distribution to emails or external servers. For those customers who want to integrate SAP Business Warehouse with SAP Crystal Reports, a separate version of SAP Crystal Reports for Enterprise is also available and possible to integrate with the BI platform. The next tool worth mentioning is definitely the SAP Lumira. And this is a SAP offering in the area of data exploration and visualization in form of managerial dashboards. The connection with SAP BW, SAP HANA, SAP Universe, SQL database, Microsoft Excel, flat file enables the analysis of data derived from different data sources. Thanks to Lumira, integration with SAP Fiori, business analysts receive some flexible visualizations, giving them an instant insight into relevant data, which facilitates the decision-making process. The implementation of SAP Lumira is characterized by its speed and simplicity, whereas an application support for online, offline, and mobile versions is another unquestionable asset. This tool is composed of two main components. The first one is the SAP Lumira Discovery, and the other one, the SAP Lumira Designer, which are dedicated to diversified groups of users depending on the purpose of use. First one is used to generate reports and build managerial dashboards without the need of programming skills. The second one, Lumira Designer, is a tool dedicated to more advanced users so they can create corporate dashboards or complex applications. Among many beneficial features, which Lumira definitely has, its simplicity and versatility are definitely the ones worth paying attention to. It allows users, business users, not only to create eye-catching visualizations for managerial dashboards, but also it supports and enhanced data analysis and making advanced applications. What is more, visualizations and stories created in Discovery component may be developed in Designer too. The availability of additional functionalities such as cascading style sheets or software development kit extension increases significantly the user's independence and flexibility of their solutions. SAP Lumira is an ideal solution for sure for organizations dependent on constant IT support and facing an overwhelming amount of data to visualize and to analyze. Okay, last but not least is the SAP Analytics Cloud, which is a unique solution in the SAP analytical offer. And it is available in SaaS model, so the abbreviation is Software as a Service model. It is the only product which combines all the three core analytical functions, so reporting, planning, and finally prediction. And it provides flexibility thanks to the ability to adjust computing power to the current needs of a company. In the various benefits of SAP Analytics Cloud, there should be put an emphasis on its remarkable versatility, which allows to combine different data sources both SAP and non-SAP data sources, as well as their combination. The user has permanent access to eye-catching managerial dashboards or stories, regardless of the device and location. It is also possible to connect the SAP Analytics Cloud with products from other vendors, such as, for example, the Google Cloud platform. No matter what type of business is led, the SAP Analytics Cloud enriches data analysis and visualization with real-time processing. It is a convenient web-based technology which actually doesn't need to be installed within organization's IT system thanks to cloud computing. This solution was formerly known as the SAP Business Objects Cloud, and it is based on SAP Cloud Platform. Because of wide range of analytical capabilities, SAP Analytics Cloud streamlines the decision-making process and allows to focus on drawing crucial conclusions from reliable sources and business insights. So that will be all from me as when it comes to the Business Intelligence tool overview. Thank you for attending this webinar. And I invite you to check other two webinars, especially connected with SAP Analytics Cloud. The first one about the SAP Analytics Cloud Application Designer, and the other one, the SAP Analytics Cloud Smart Predict. Thank you.